But you know, this is gonna be easy work for us because
we're African. Mindset, guys. Let me tell you something. This is the key to overcoming spicy noodles. It's all in the mind. You just have to tell yourself that it's actually not that hot.
It was at this moment that he knew.
I burned, yo. It burned, yo. It burned, yo. What are you talking about? Hey guys, we're back again.
It's been a minute.
It's been a really long time.
We can't even tell you why we stopped making videos.
Well, we've been busy. I think like we've been working. We're all done school.
You know, got our hustle on.
Yeah.
But we were kicking it, and then we thought, let's just make a video.
Yeah. Felt like, you know,
we miss it.
Put some content out there, and yeah, kind of miss being in front of the camera, you know. Yeah, here we're back again, and
as you can see, I mean, it's a challenge that's been out for a while, right?
yeah.
But I mean, I don't think this one gets old.
Never. If you haven't tried it, I guess. Today, we are doing the
spicy noodle challenge.
But you know, this is gonna be easy work for us because
we're African.
Well, African. I'm Nigerian, as you all know. She's Kenyan, so
big
this
ups
should be.
To all my Kenyans.
Nah, y'all. Big up to Nigeria, you know, the 419s.
We're gonna try two actually. So there's this one, and then I guess this is the one that everybody's been trying.
Yeah.
But we're gonna do both. But like we said, it's no biggie for us because we have spicy food on the regular.
But just in case, you know, Mandem went and got himself a glass of milk and a glass of water just in case, you know, but
we're not gonna need it.
I'm not worried about anything, so
we have our water boiling, we're getting it ready. So, which one should we try first? Let's do this one. I haven't seen any reviews about this one, so let's try this one.
as you can tell, I'm working hard here in the kitchen as well, making sure everything's going as planned.
Look at that flick of their wrist. Look at that flick of their wrist. And look at that flick of their wrist.
That's crazy hot. Okay. Mans is ready.
So first one that we're trying is
it's called the volcano chicken noodle.
It smells alright.
Okay, ready? Light work. I think it's gonna be light work, but alright.
Let's try it and see how hot it is. Okay, ready? Eat this for like when somebody says I just want to have some noodles and just like leisurely time, like do they guys, and my mouth is burning.
I can't do it.
I guess it gets better, right? It gets better as you eat it, right? It's not that bad. It's all the mindset, guys. Let me tell you something. This is the key to overcoming spicy noodles. It's all in the mind. You just have to tell yourself that it's actually not that hot. We keep eating it until we're done. Because we still have this bad boy. It gets better. It's not terrible though. Like if you block out the spiciness, they actually taste pretty good.
It burns, yo.
They actually taste decent. They don't taste that bad. I mean, your ears might be ringing, but the flavor is actually pretty good.
What isn't this? Does it speak English?
See, it's actually not that bad. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the spiciest, I'm gonna give this one
9.5.
7.5.
Yo, it tastes
7.5.
good. But that burns.
Next up, the famous Black Pack. I can't tell you what it's called. Oh no, it says right here, chicken flavor ramen. Extremely spicy. Whew. Okay.
I don't know if I can. That was spicy.
You won't have to do it. Gotta do it for the YouTube.
It is next level. Nigerians wouldn't believe me when I say it was spicy as hell.
You're being a baby.
Yeah, I failed. Now I'm gonna take it like a man. I failed that one. Can't feel my tongue no.
All I'm gonna say is that trip to the bathroom later.
Oh yeah, that's gonna burn.
When your tongue don't work like it used to before.
Who actually enjoys, like, even the pack says it's hell.
Like who eats
Who eats this kind of thing? Okay. Yo, I'm back.
Back at it? Okay. So,
Better.
this bad boy right here. You know, I kind of feel like it might have actually been almost the same thing as what we tried before. But,
No! Feels like deja vu.
Okay. Dear Lord, we just pray over this food that we're about to have. May it just slide down our throats ever so smoothly. May it not burn. Please keep us in one piece. I pray that we survive through this. Honestly, I don't think it'll be that bad. Amen.
Amen.
Okay,
Couples
ready?
that eat together, sleep together. Couples that...
Go. It's hot.
That wasn't the first one. It was a lot better.
I haven't even tried it yet. Okay, let me try.
Wait, what? She didn't even try it. Oh my god. Just not bad. It's there, but, like, I mean, it's not, like, this you can push through.
Okay.
This you can push through, like, the after effect of the first one just kind of, like, chokes you. Like, obviously I'm not trying to finish this, but I mean, like, it's a lot better. This is probably why a lot of people on YouTube could do it.
But you know what?
This is light work. That is poison.
It's not bad.
This is light work.
I mean, like, I'm still, my mouth is burning, but
The first one.
the first one was worse.
Oh my god.
Like this one, I could sit down and eat the whole thing.
Like I wouldn't eat it after today, but I mean like this is.
Okay, it's not bad.
Out of 10, how would you rate that?
This is like 6.
Yeah, I'll give it 6.5. But the first one, ay. You know what? No, can I get that pack? Let me get that pack. Now I'm gonna put out a proper challenge now. So now
Listen, for everybody that
this
tried,
is a proper challenge.
yes, forget this one. This is spicy. I mean, this is spicy, but
It's okay.
a true challenge.
I need you guys to go out to your nearest TNT market and get the volcano chicken noodles.
Right here, so.
Patient and Saviour's YouTube. We're putting you guys on the spot, right? You guys should handle that and get back to us.
This is far much worse.
That is deadly. That is deadly. That is like work. That is deadly. Y'all were playing. That is deadly.
Alright?
Okay? Like we always ask you guys every time. We need you guys to go out there, like, share, subscribe. We're just doing what we like to do, you know. Stay behind the camera lights. But yeah, it's hard for me to talk right now. I think the after effect is so much oxygen.
But yes, guys, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll get more videos out to you soon. Sooner than you think.